Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this one I am gonna show you my dollar cost average, my dollar cost averaging journey in action. So I'm gonna show you a trade that I'm a swing trade that I'm in currently, and I'm going to show you how I have averaged, brought my average cost of my fractional shares of that stock down over time. So let's scroll down here a little bit. And by the way, this is not financial advice. This is simply my journey. If you choose to invest, do so after doing your own research. Okay, so let's look at Swivel Holdings. All right. So as you can see, we're looking at the monthly chart here in Cash App, and it's down on the month 29%. And on the week, it's down 52%. And as of just for today, it's down 15%. So it has been on a bear decline here lately. So let's look at the weekly chart. And I'm going to show you how I invested in this and held it, which technically it's a swing trade because I've held it for a couple of days now. So for 2 or 3 days. So on Tuesday at around 1:30 p.m., I invested $40 into Swivel Holdings. All right. And I really knew, I pretty much figured it would continue to decline. And I did this with the intention of dollar cost averaging as the stock went down in value. So as we move forward here in time, I purchased another $100 of fractional shares on Wednesday at about 1:30. And that's after the stock had decreased. It went from $4.34 a share down to $3.82 a share. So at that point, because I invested about 1.5 times, about 2.5 times the original amount, the average came down farther. Like, it's not even in the middle. It's more so around the $3.88 mark is what it was worth at that time. So and as we go forward, it drops a little bit more. And on Thursday, today, I purchased $100 more of fractional shares, and this was while the stock was at $3.34 per share. So my average price is gonna be somewhere around this area right here, roughly around between 370, 380, somewhere in there. I haven't done the math on that, but I'm giving kind of a rough guess at this because, like I said, I only invested 40 up here. So I put in more on the second and third entry. And so that's why my average price is going to be somewhere around here. So basically, and now it continued to dip a little bit more today. So it's at 320 right now after hours, post market. So tomorrow, I don't know what will happen, but if it rises, if it shoots up tomorrow, basically it's not going to have to work very hard before I'm in the profit. So when it goes back up, it's gonna start hitting a profit somewhere in this area right here. And that's why if you're going to invest, what I do is I dollar cost average as a stock goes down, and I wait until it dips about 8%, at least 8 to 10% each time. Eventually, if it's a solid company, a good stock, it's going to go back up. So you want to, if you choose to do this and, you do your own research on a stock, you want to what I do is I put a feeler out there. So my $40 investment, there was like a little feeler. And, you know, if it had gone back up from that point, I would have just taken a small profit and got out and then waited. But it did what I thought it would do. And so I increased the investment. So there you have it. Dollar cost. This is a very minimal dollar cost averaging, you know, amount. You know, there are people out there that invest, you know, hundreds, thousands, even millions. You know, there are some big whales out there. But I just wanted, this is just an informational video that I wanted to share with you guys to show you that this is a viable strategy, in my opinion, when it comes to investing in the stock market. If you're looking to create some type of income from investing, like swing trading or day trading, you know, it does require patience. Swing trading requires a lot of patience because you might be in a swing trade for, you know, 36 hours, or you might be in a swing trade for 2 weeks. And you just basically want to definitely set your limits. When I say set your limits, you want to set your limit order so that when the stock shoots back up, you don't have to be watching it every 2 minutes. You can set it in Cash App, and it will, I mean, you can set it at any percentage. So like if the stock goes up 12% and you want to take your profits at the 12% spot, you can set it for that exact spot, and it will sell. I've had it happen several times. It will sell your position at that point and cash you out without you lifting a finger. And then it's really nice to get those notifications that say, hey, your custom order just went through, your position sold, and you know right away that you gained a profit if you set it for a profit. But now you can also set it to take a minimal loss. Now I don't do that, not on Cash App. I set mine because if mine goes down, I just simply continue to dollar cost average, and I only set my limit orders for profit. That's just me though. I'm not saying you, I'm not telling you or, you know, suggesting you do that. That's just how I roll with that. All right. So that's what what I have for you guys today. I appreciate it. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you found value in this video. And also, if you want to be notified, hit that bell. And I put videos out anywhere from 3 to 5 times a week. I'm posting a video on this channel. Again, thank you. And y'all have a wonderful evening.